Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer cryptos to Defi wallet from your crypto.com. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, log into your crypto.com, and once you're logged into your account you'll be directed to the home page, and then you have to tap on transfer in the top right corner, and as you tap on it a drop down box will appear. So from there you have to tap on withdraw. So once again a drop down menu will appear. So from there you have to tap on crypto, and as you tap on it on the other interface you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. Now once you're done selecting the crypto on the other interface you have to enter the wallet address. Now on the wallet address what you have to do is you have to open up your Defi wallet and then copy the wallet address from there, and once you're done copying the wallet address you have to paste it right over here, and if you're sure about the address tap on confirm, which is right at the bottom, and after that you have to enter the amount of crypto that you want to transfer, and once again tap on confirm address. On the other interface you'll be notified that you've successfully transferred cryptos to your Defi wallet. So that is how you can transfer cryptos to a Defi wallet from your crypto.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.